Hello and welcome to Lovely's Kitchen. In today's quarantine recipe, I'm going to be sharing my eggless vanilla yummy delicious looking fruit cake with you guys. It's a vegan recipe, so let's see what all ingredients we need for that. I'm going to be prepping the pan so that the cake doesn't stick to the bottom or the sides of the tin, and it can be easily taken out from the tin. So I have taken a parchment paper, I folded it, take the radius of it and just cut it, and take the rest of the parchment, rest of the sheet, and cover around the side so that it doesn't stick, the batter doesn't stick to the cake pan. So let's get started. In an empty bowl, this is a one bowl recipe, so we will be having two bowls basically. In one bowl I'm going to be collecting all the dry ingredients, and the other bowl is going to be of wet ingredients. So for the dry ingredients, I'm going to be taking 1.5 cup of flour and added 1 cup of sugar to it, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, a little bit of salt. It enhances the sweetness of the cake. Just mix it really well so that all the baking powder and the salt and the sugar are well incorporated. And after mixing it, we're going to keep it aside, and let's get ready for our wet ingredient. For this, I'm going to be taking 1 cup of whole milk. I have taken a tablespoon of vanilla. So I've added a little extra vanilla to it. To that, I'm going to be adding 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. It can be canola or vegetable oil, whatever your preference are. Mix it really well. Well, and the milk can be substituted with any other milk, and then it will become a vegan cake. Now I have added a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to the milk. So now this becomes basically the buttermilk. So the wet ingredient goes in our dry ingredient bowl. Whisk it really well, but be very careful. We are not going to overbeat it. This is basically the recipe from the Great Depression, when there was no egg available. They took out this method to enjoy a yummy, delicious cake at the Depression time. So we are not going to overmix it. Now let's pour it back in the baking pan. I'm going to be baking this on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes, or till the toothpick comes out clean when inserted. After 40 minutes, this is how the cake looks. And I have inserted the toothpick. It came out perfectly clean. Now let's tap it. Tapping helps the edges to release from the side. I'm going to take a cooling rack and flip the pan upside down. So our cake is ready. And I'm just dusting some powdered sugar on top of it. You can use any kind of frosting for it, but I like to enjoy my eggless vanilla cake plain with fruits. So today Shanvi is our official cake tester, so let's see her feedback.
Hi, I'm Shelby, and today I'm going to be taste testing this eggless cake.
So what kind of eggless cake is it? Is it a chocolate flavor?
Vanilla.
Vanilla. Do you like vanilla?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
It tastes good.
It tastes good, but what's the difference between an eggless and with egg?
Yeah, the cake with the egg isn't that spongy. It's like it's not spongy.
And so this one is less spongy. It's
Yeah.
more dense
Yeah.
because it's missing eggs in it, and that's what the difference will be if you're making a vegan cake. And vegan cake are a little more denser than the non-vegan cakes because
I like
the non-vegan cake has eggs in it, and eggs makes anything taste better. There you go.
Bye.
So you liked it? So do you think, how much will you rate this cake out of 10?
15 out of 10.
15 out of 10. Oh, there you go. So I got approved.
Bye.
Hope you guys have enjoyed the video tutorial. Thank you so much for watching it. If you like the video, please hit the like button and please subscribe. Stay safe and healthy.